kind of documentary or testimonial evidence po o mga bago pong mga ebidensya ang meron po kayo? Marami po bang bago?
Okay. Ang isa sa mga dito, as you know, meron na pong final na complaint sa Ombudsman laban kay Sara Duterte on the 650 million confidential funds. What we wanted to highlight was that there is a pattern of behavior. That is why we're going back as far as yung mayor siya. So, pinakabago dyan is to establish a pattern of behavior. That yung mga transgressions ni Vice President Sara Duterte is parang recidivist na. And therefore, that makes her unsuitable for the position of the second highest official of the land. Kasama na po doon yung allegations po ni Madriaga. And here, I know that there has been parang or questions raised about the testimony. But for us kasi, it's important na isulong siya sa ombudsman because through the investigations, it's the ombudsman who is going to decide whether that his testimony is correct or is true or not. Hindi Facebook, hindi social media ang magde-decide kung totoo yung mga sinasabi niya.